Welcome back to Settle in Spain with an extra little video this week. I'm Amanda and that's Otis. My husband Dave is due back in a couple of days. I promised you on the last video if we had snow, I'd get out and video it. Look what happened this morning. The forecast promised this to arrive yesterday, so it really was a surprise today. As I started work early online, it was raining lightly, so when I finished and went to walk Otis, this was a real surprise. The snow was starting to come down heavier, and Otis's initial paw prints were already starting to be covered with more snow. A Greek shepherd dog, Otis is not bothered by the snow at all. He's more interested to see if the cats are around. The almond trees all around us are starting to sag slightly with the weight of even this small amount of snow, while the mountains are completely hidden. Chui, our ginger cat, originally from Qatar, couldn't resist exploring something new. The snow really does look so beautiful. I hope it doesn't damage the vegetables in those beds too much. Olive trees seem to be affected more with the weight of the snow than the almond trees are. This hamlet where we're currently renting sits 1,098 metres above sea level. Just 10 minutes from here, in the village of Oria, it's not even snowing today. This area of southern Spain does regularly get snow in winter, though it normally only lasts for a day. This, however, happening in April is a little bit more unusual. As I started to edit this, the snow was turning to sleet, and some of it was already melting. But now, we've got heavy snow once more, and it's predicted to be with us for another couple of hours. Impy, our old white cat, decided to be sensible for once and stayed in by the fire. This is where I think all of us will be spending the day today. Right now I'm surrounded by both cats and the dog, staying warm and cosy. Thank you for joining us on this snowy, unusual April day in the mountains of Almeria. Now the snow is melting off the roof while more continues to fall. I'll leave you with the sounds of spring. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.